Just8ate.com, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make kimchi tofu soup. With that being said, let's just hit the kitchen and let me show you how to make a kimchi tofu soup. Definitely hit the red subscribe button and the bell, and since you're right there, hit the share and the like button. Why not? So, we're going to be making soft tofu Korean style soup. Now this is kimchi flavored with mushrooms. Now I'm going to go ahead and add 2 cups of water and turn on my fire to medium, low, or medium high heat. So, we like to use tofu, and this is a tofu soup recipe, and so I'm going to be using the House Foods really soft tofu. Now there is a extra soft tofu as well, but this one was on sale, so I'm going to go ahead and use this one. We're going to let it boil and then add our pouch of powder seasoning. Wow, it looks really chilly. Okay, so I'm gonna have my cooking ohashi or chopstick and just kind of swish it around. The broth looks pretty good. Before I go ahead and add some tofu or anything else, I'm gonna go ahead and put in shiitake mushrooms, because I like having shiitake mushrooms in my soup. So these are dehydrated that I bought in the store, and so since they're dehydrated, I'm just gonna go ahead and put it in the hot water to immerse and blossom. Next, I'm going to go ahead and grab my wakame and put a little bit into the soup. Now, I like wakame. You don't have to necessarily put wakame in your kimchi soup, but I'm going to go ahead and put in 1 tablespoon of wakame. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add my tofu. Now, I actually opened up my soft tofu from House Foods, and I've cut it up into little cubes like this. And I'd say this is 1.5 cup of soft tofu. We're gonna put it in the broth and let it boil so that the tofu can immerse into the soup base flavor. We're gonna let it boil. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add 3 tablespoons of green onions. Real quick, definitely hit the red subscribe button and the bell so that you could be an 8 or 2, and definitely share out this recipe because you might have some family and friends that are interested in kimchi tofu soup. Then I'm gonna go ahead and put in the ground beef. Now I already pre-cooked and made ground beef for the week, and this is what I'm gonna be having on a Monday. So I'm gonna have 3 tablespoons of this ground beef. Here's the reason why sometimes I don't drain the fat of the ground beef, because it's gonna go in the soup for more flavor. Next, this is really optional. I'm gonna go ahead and put in at least a handful of napa cabbage. Did you know that this is one of the soups that would help your immune system? Kimchi, as well as tofu and all these vegetables in this soup, gives vitamins and help your immune system. Kimchi tofu soup has health benefits to boost your immune system, and so this is why I like to eat tofu kimchi soup whenever I'm about to get sick, and or when everyone else is sick around me, and eat a bowl of this. Comment down below to let me know if you're willing to try kimchi tofu soup. At this point in time, I'm going to go ahead and grab my shiitake mushrooms that's been immersing in the broth and go to the cutting board and slice these up. Now it's up to you. If you like shiitake mushrooms whole like this, then enjoy your soup like this. But I like to take out my shiitake mushrooms and cut it into bite-sized pieces like this. So here's the shiitake mushrooms, and I'm putting it back into the pot, stirring it in. Now we need an egg. I like to put an egg usually in a separate bowl so that if there's any eggshells, I could take it out of the bowl instead of the main dish. So anyway, drop it in. Now I like to crack it already. Now you have that creamy tofu soup texture. There's my shiitake I was looking for. There he is. I'll keep one for camera purposes, making it look pretty. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put in 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. And then I'm gonna put in 1 tablespoon of chili sesame oil. And so that's how I make my kimchi tofu soup. Goes perfectly with a bowl of white rice.
I'm going to be doing a shout out next from my last uploaded video. Stay tuned.
Did you know that we did a cookbook? Check out our link in the description box below. And remember, friends,
expand your mind, explore your palate, and let's keep chasing the flavor, my 8ers.
See you in the next video. See you in the next video.